What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. Couple things. I have never bought an RTR vehicle, so therefore I've never owned a Traxxas vehicle. Well, Traxxas came out with a kit, TRX4. Decided to pick one up. Actually a pretty good buy, considering the electronics alone that come in this kit. If you bought the cheapest thing you could find, you're looking at a couple $100 right there. Been looking through the manual. Pretty interesting. It's in color. It's actually CAD model pictures, basically. Very thorough. A couple little interesting things about it. Like, for example, apply a drop of grease. I'm not really sure what a drop of grease is, but we'll figure that out when the time comes. Pretty thorough manual. Goes through everything, gives you a lot of information. Now this vehicle has a 2-speed transmission, diffs that can be locked from the radio, 2-speed transmission. Some people hate it, some people love it. I'm indifferent to it. Portal axles, yeah, more ground clearance, but they kind of raise the center of gravity. As far as the being able to lock and unlock the diffs, I don't know. We'll see. Kind of gimmicky, I think, but we'll see how it works. But instruction manuals in color. It's thorough. Tells you everything you need to know. Like I said, a few little things that are kind of give you a little chuckle as you read through it. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Show you what comes in the kit. It does come with complete radio. You've got your transmitter, receiver, ESC, all 4 of your servos, 3 micro servos, and your steering servo. Micro servos lock and unlock the diffs and shift the transmission. I did a quick Google search. If you bought the cheapest 5-channel radio you could find, servos, ESC, you're looking at a couple $100 right there at least. And this also has a motor, 550 size motor instead of the normal 540, so the motor's a little bigger. Very well packaged kit. Very similar to what you would find. No plastic parts, trees. Everything is already removed from the molding trees. Everything for each particular assembly is in one bag. Like here's our body mounting bag. Contains bumpers, sliders, body mounts. It says body mounting bag. I kind of like just body bag. That's me. Chassis parts, your inner fenders, battery tray, stuff like that. Now, one thing different about this kit than any one I've ever seen is your inner fenders are actually where the top of your shocks mount. So if you're going to use a body other than one of the Traxxas bodies, you might have to modify your fenders. But the good thing about Traxxas that I've found is every single part in their kits can be bought separately. Unlike a Tamiya kit, if you need a particular part, you got to buy that bag unless you can find somebody selling that part on eBay. So that is a little bit of an advantage. As you get in, you got front axle, complete front axle in one bag. Transmission, everything for your transmission in one bag. Now the initial release of this kit, I believe it was a 24 tooth gear that is part of the shifting mechanism in the transmission. They had a problem with the bearing not fitting in the hole. The bearing is a 10 millimeter, I believe, outer diameter, and their gear was coming with like a 9.8 millimeter hole, and you're not going to press that bearing in there. Hopefully that's been straightened out since this kit I think came out in February of this year. So it's been a few months. Hopefully that's straightened out. If not, we'll just contact Traxxas, get another gear. Front axle, everything in one bag. So you got drive shafts in one bag. You got shocks are pre-assembled, but you do have to put the oil in them. They are all pre-assembled, with the exception of putting the springs on after you fill them with oil. Suspension links all pre-assembled. Like I said, everything has its own bag, everything together in one bag. Down here in the bottom, here's our motor mount. Here's a differential bag. This is the locking, unlocking differentials. Tires and wheels. Tires, not a licensed tire, not a real scale tire. Rims are just plastic, non-bead lock glue on. That is one thing that I will probably replace the wheels with some beadlock wheels. Tires, I don't know. I'll try them. They're fairly soft. I'll try them out. Not a real scale looking tire, but we'll try them, see how they do. And of course your frame rails, stamped steel, fairly heavy. I will be putting the 79 Ford Bronco body on this truck. I have a few of the parts for it. I don't have the body yet. Everybody's out of stock on them. Let's see, we got our windshield wipers and door handles, side mirrors, the side trim, left and right side trim, chrome pieces, the front bumper, I believe, the rear bumper, the grill, which I gotta tell you, this grill looks awesome. I mean, hats off to Traxxas. I mean, this thing is detailed as good as it gets. Parking lights are already amber. Well, actually, those are stickers, but. And then the tailgate insert. Tail lights already installed. These little packages have all the screws and everything you need to attach from the body when the body finally gets here. This is going to be an interesting kit. I've never worked with a Traxxas vehicle, RTR or otherwise. I understand they used to make kits back in the 80s, but I've never owned one of them, so we're going to give this one a try. Check it out. Bronco body, 79 Ford Bronco. Love the looks of the body. It's very detailed, very nice looking body. I'm thinking yellow over white or light blue over white. I don't know, not sure yet. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment, any questions or anything, more than welcome. And we'll get to this before too long. So until then, later.